If you have a Taycan or a 911 on order, once your vehicle has been produced, you will be able to access the production line images. There are two methods. Both will require you to have a My Porsche account. When you first place your order for a Taycan or a 911, you will receive an invitation link to set up your My Porsche account. This then links the whole production process and the ability to track this process to your My Porsche account. So what happens then in terms of the production line photos, once you reach stage 4, i.e. your vehicle has been produced, you should receive an email from Porsche directly, which invites you to take a look at the images. That email will look something like this. Click on the link, log into your My Porsche account, which you can see I'm already logged into. Then go across to My Porsche and Overview. As you can see, I'm now at stage 4 of 5. My vehicle has been produced. Come across to Find Out Current Phase. Then scroll down a little, and as you can see, your production line images are right there waiting for you. Hover over the image and you can download a high-res version. It would appear that everyone gets 4 images. So we've got body construction, e-drive and component, vehicle assembly, and test line. So that's all the 4 images that you get access to. Then, as I said before, if you click on the image, it will download a high-res version for you to save. Now, if for some strange reason you don't receive an email invitation from Porsche once your vehicle has been produced to log into your My Porsche account to view your production line images, then there is an alternative way to find the images. So here I am back on Porsche.com, UK version, Windows desktop, using Google Chrome, probably different or definitely different for Apple products. Logged into My Porsche, come across to Overview. As you can see, at stage 4 of 5. And what you do here is you would right click your mouse, which brings up this menu, click on Inspect. Across to the top left corner to refresh the page, then across to Network. Then from the bottom of this list, if you scroll up and you're looking for this line here, look. Left click to open, come across here to the small arrow, again left click to open the drop down, and there is all your production details of your vehicle. As you can see, it says I'm at stage 4 of 5. Also here, if you look, it says production images true. So that now means that my production images are available within this system. Then come down to the arrow next to production images, click to open, another drop down, and as you can see, there are now 4 additional arrows. Click those, find the URL, copy, and then paste that into a new tab. And there you go. There's production images. Do that for all 4, and you'll have access to all 4 of your production line images.